It's not sugar, that's MSG.
Huh?
Saan mo nakuha? Ay, saan mo nakita?
No, here, my feet. Inside.
Let's wash na lang.
I need water.
You need more water? Ayoko na, hindi ko kakain yung tira mo. Baka
Yeah.
lumaki na yung pisngi ko.
I'm done na. You throw it.
Ay, yan ang tipo ko, inuutusan ako. You throw it kaya?
Can you come with me?
Joke lang, I'll do it for you.
No, you
Come
know
here, I
what?
love
I
you.
have a sore eye.
Come here, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh.
I have a sore eye. That's why my eyes is blurry.
Really?
Yeah. Only this eye.
You're both so cute, someone said. Poor Tori daw, ay ko.
Why?
Kasi because of your eye daw, ay ko. Wow.
Who's Toribo?
Hello, Tori Boo. Bro. Kiss me, kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss me.
You know what? So you know what? When Auntie Bear went to my school, I said to my friend, Andrea, come, Auntie Bear is here. Na because they were supposed to take a picture, but her eyes hurt them. But it's just a prank. She's just shy.
She's shy kay
Yeah.
Mary.
And I was embarrassed. I was
Wow.
shouting pa eh.
Ay ko, wow.
And I did
you're
like this to
what?
her.
Embarrassed.
Yeah, I did like this to her after that.
Eh, kasi shy nga.
No, she's not. Yeah, she's
Oh,
shy.
she's shy. Oh, you may kwento pa. Ay, di ba, you said kanina may nagbubuli kay Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, it was a big girl.
Who's Willow? Do you miss
Willow?
Willow, Tori, sabi?
Yeah,
Sino yun?
I want her to come. Diba the dog?
Dog?
The Auntie Gabby's dog.
Ah.
The one who bite
tao.
me.
Ha?
Diba?
Oo nga pala, di ba
I
in-injection
got
ka?
6 injections.
Ay, ko.
I didn't cry.
Weh.
So
So, you're a strong girl.
yeah.
Dobong soon?
Huh?
Oh, someone sent us a gift. Thank you, sis.
Thank you.
Oh, ikwento mo na yung kay yung kay Brooklyn, yung nagbubuli.
Then
Ano ba? What happened?
like Brooklyn was swinging in the circle one like that.
Playground?
Yeah, there's a playground,
Sa
diba?
school?
No.
Saan? Eh, di ba
Diba?
sa school daw meron? Kaya nga ayaw daw niyo
Oh
pumasok.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
what
it's
happened?
because of Sophia. She's not minding her daw.
We?
Yeah, and then when she talks, she says no.
Sabi
Yeah,
niya?
she said, come with me. I will.
I'm 1% na lang.
Okay, Charles. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Charge daw.
Bye.
Kiss mo.
Look at my new iPad.
Oh yeah, may iPad siya. Oh, natanggap niya no Christmas. Gift sa kanya ng daddy niya. Tapos, bye Crush Boy daw. Oh, sabi
Ah.
niya.
Is Crush Boy here? Where? Where is he?
Beside you.
Huh?
Ayun oh. Bye Crush Boy. Sabi.
Hey! It's this!
It's Kaden. Kuya Kaden. Hala! In-invite mo!
Huh, I did.
You did. Nakalagay invite sent eh. Wait, let's charge muna.
Can you charge while live?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yay!
Oh, where will we
They
stay?
like it. As simple as
I'll stay there. You're done na with your food?
yeah.
Busog na naman siya.
Why?
I love
Can I
you.
talk to him?
Oh, you come here.
Hey, Crush Boy!
They're saying yay. Kasi I charged. Oh, yes daw.
Hi, Dairu.
Uy, so, he replied na yes. Oh, why daw? Ikaw na lang mag-live.
No. Do you have a crush on Bum Bum?
No! Bro!
That's why I call him Crush Boy. Eh.
Bro!
She likes you. Eh.
No.
Yes.
How did you know?
He told me.
No.
Yes, I was upstairs in your pop-up, and then she tell me.
She?
I mean, and then he told me he has a crush on Bum Bum upstairs in the pop-up.
Baka ano?
No, he likes you. That's why I let you go to Crush Boy. Yeah.
Oh, what if I like him too? What will you do?
Huh?
You don't like? No.
Lagot? Huh? Why are you getting mad at me?
No. They're not getting mad at you.
Where is
story
Sheena?
daw. Sabi ni, yung reaction ni Tori, huh? Selos ka?
No. If you be his boyfriend, you will be American then.
Oh. But American?
Because his dad is American. I saw his dad. He looks like Santa Claus.
Bro!
And his eyes is blue. Eh.
Totoo ba?
Yeah, diba? He's not answering.
Yes, totoo daw.
Where?
You still remember Tori, ha? Sabi, ayan o.
And she has a queen. The blonde hair. She keeps on following her. And she's a staff then. Bum Bum.
Who's that?
It's your friend. And she has blonde hair. And she's wearing like a white shirt, a black one.
It's Ella daw.
Yeah, that's her.
She keeps following him. Oh, bakit daw?
She's Crush Boy said that's her bodyguard.
Wow naman, may bodyguard si Crush Boy.
Yeah. And then this is how they walk off.
How ba?
So diba, this is Crush Boy.
Oh.
And then the queen is here.
Oh.
So the Crush Boy goes here first, and then what's that girl's name again?
Ella.
And then Ella is here, and she's in the front. So there's cheese boy.
What?
It's cheese boy.
I don't understand.
And then they were Crush Boy was here,
Mm.
and then Ella's here. So Crush Boy is waiting here, and then Ella goes here, and they walk together now.
Baka they're together.
They're not.
How did you know?
They said. Crush Boy said there. I said na nga, are you are you siblings?
Mm.
And then he said no. I think he has a crush on her too. So
Ha?
Crush Boy
Pwede
is-
ba yun? Two crush? Dalawang crush?
Yeah,
Allowed ba yun?
like more than 2.
Pwede ba yun? That's illegal. Illegal.
And then me and Brooklyn keeps on, when we're upstairs, we were here, and then Crush Boy is here
Mm.
with Ella again.
Mm.
We were in the window. We opened the window,
Mm.
and then me and Brooklyn shout, "Crush Boy!" and then Crush Boy is like, "Where is he na?"
Chinika mo na yung buhay niya.
Where is he?
Ay, may filter.
Why
There.
do I have that eyes?
Baka ma-block ka. Ay, block ako. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side. I'm 10% now. How about your iPad?
Huh?
How about your iPad?
What?
Are you low bat?
No. Wait. Yeah, I'm 12%.
You're 12. Do you wanna charge?
No.
Okay. O, sige na guys. I need to wash up.
Bye.
O, diba? Inaraw-araw ko na talaga yung live. Say hi, Mamu.
Hmm.
Hi, Mamu. Say lang, hi, Mamu.
Hi, Mom.
Guys, inaaraw-araw ko na yung pagla-live. Paano yan? Baka ma-attach na naman ako. Ano? Ang gagawin ko? Ha? Guys, nga pala, magkakaroon na ng ay, open na yung slots for new admins for this year. Sa Charlotte Squad Official. Wants to join. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay me by my side. Guys, do you have any questions? Bago ko mag-end live. Or gusto nyo ba mamaya na tayo mag-end? 12:30. You broke my heart, ha? Why? What did I do? Gonna wash up. Araw-araw na ako nagla-live. My gosh. Parang 3 consecutive days na, no? Will you live tomorrow? Do you want me to? Ayoko na niya naman masyadong gusto. Say please, master muna.
I have 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Gusto ko yung please love.
I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I'm gonna live again tomorrow.
Yeah, we know. It's Alvina. Yo.
Pinagsisisihan ko yung kinain ko. Ba't ba nakisubo pa ako kay Tori?
Watch him out, bitch. Watch him out. Watch.
Hindi ako kakain bukas. Wait, but I don't eat rice anymore. 4 days na. Tutuloy-tuloy ko na ulit to. Wala nang kanin-kanin. Uy, nagpadala daw si Ange ng ng chicken bacolod from Bacolod mismo. Ay, thank you so much. I've been craving, as in. Tas pinag-uusapan nga namin yun kanina ng family ko habang nag-dinner kami. Na-excited kami. Tas nagulat na lang ako na nagpadala daw sa bahay. Thank you so much. Sabi ko tiran ako kahit 2 kasi baka mamaya ubusin na nila. Kasi na-addict na kami sa chicken bacolod talaga. Yung authentic. Do you love me? Yes. Sir much. Paano kita i-shoutout unknown? Hindi wala namang pangalan. Shoutout unknown. Naantok na ako. Hi, Rich Life. Baby, blue eyes, stay with me by my side. Guys, hindi kami natuloy hindi kami natuloy mag-grocery kanina. Nag-Watsons na lang tuloy kami ni Tori. Nagbili lang ako ng mga facial tissue, ganun. Kasi ayokong gamitin yung toilet paper na pang wipe ng face ko pag nag-wash up. Ganda, no? Kala mo naman. I'm sleepy na. Dinisin muna natin yung kalat. Wait. Tori, if you need to charge, andyan na yung charger, ha?
What charge?
Ayan, no? That's Type-C, diba?
Where you go?
I'll just clean this up. Nakapikon yung squid ball. Fake news, fake news, fake news. Sarap pa naman ng bulldog. Tori, I'm gonna wash up lang. Wanna come sa CR?
Yeah.
Cause you're scared, I know. You need water pa? Let's get water. Bring this tomorrow ha, pag uwi mo. Kasi
Who will fetch me?
want me to drop you off sa house.
Then you're gonna fetch me?
I need to go somewhere tomorrow.
Where?
Somewhere far away.
No.
Shani.
Where?
Oh, I have errands. I need to work. Here, water. Kaya mo i-open?
No.
Hold it. Hold it. Here, drink.
Okay.
Finish mo yan. Can you finish it? Okay, bye. I love you.
好多盒子要拆。CM，深圳打卡前那帽送的帽子是墨绿色里带的，是不是黑色的黑白的那个呀？是不是黑白的那个？深圳礼物现在还没有在这儿，深圳的礼物让我妈放起来了，深圳礼物得让我妈一会儿去找。喝开心露没喝呀？粉色的。好怀念这个味道，好几个月没回来了。哎，这好看。这有点显黑呀，这颜色有点显黑，脸儿都黑了。呀，不一样，我以为我连着抽到了两个一模一样的。我屋里很冷，我屋里穿个毛衣都有点热，但是我也不能穿我自己毛衣，我也不能光穿我自己毛衣，就有点，两个粉色的，一个粉色的，这有点显黑，这个颜色是不是有点显手黑？晚上好，晚上好，晚上好，晚上好，晚上好，哎，这个手感真好。这是什么？我操！这是什么？ 是他是。就人在无语的时候真的是会笑的，真的。啊。嗯。好，让这只猪在这里散发一下光芒。我真的很好奇，你们都在哪里搞来这么多稀奇古怪的东西？就这个东西，你让我去想，我都想象不到还会有一个这种东西。你们都好亮啊！这个时候配上这首歌真的很好。还有个小兔子。那日书叫什么？这日书我也不知道叫什么。